guys, it's Angela and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing all of the slimes that I got from Safari Slime Splash last week. And if you didn't see the vlog yet, go check it out. It was so much fun. The link will be in the description down below. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell to get notified every single time I post a new video. And without any further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, so this slime first came in the swag bag from Safari Slime Splash. It has green and orange foam beads representing the colors of Safari Slime Splash. And it's the most sizzly, puffy slime I've ever felt. And it inflates so much. No joke, half of this slime is in another container because it inflated so much. And for being a free slime, I'm honestly really impressed. This next slime, we actually won for free at a Snow Fizz demonstration. They dyed it pink and put some Fimo slices in it. And it is such a great slime. I'm actually really happy about this and that we won it. I was so excited when I did, and I still am. And me and Hannah actually scented it like strawberries to give it an extra final touch. And this final product is amazing and it's so crunchy. This next slime is from Jaden's Craft Shack. It is called Summer Sunset, and this is legit the prettiest slime I've ever seen. And guys, it was so clear when I first got it, but what did I do? I got tempted and I played with it before I filmed it, so I'm so sorry about this. But it is the thickest slime. She's so underrated and I recommend buying from her. This next slime is from Slime by Madeline, and once again guys, I was tempted and I played with it, but trust me, it was so clear, and it is scented so good, like a agave lime scent. I'm probably saying that wrong, but I mean, you know, but it just smells so good and is so thick, and I have no regrets buying this. Seriously, these two shops are two so underrated slime shops, and I recommend really buying from them. Like, I have no regrets with this. And as you can see, it came with little cactus Fimo slices and I think flower Fimo slices. And also came with a cactus charm. Okay, next one. The next one was from Electric Slimy, and this is a butter slimy, guys. Like I said in my last vlog, I felt the tester and I was in love with this slime. It has small little chunks of Oreo, aka I think glitter, and it's such a good slime. And I don't even know, the scent reminded me of strawberry milk, and it brought back memories, and it was just such a good slime. I can't even put it into words. Oh yeah, guys, it was also sizzly. You'll be able to hear that. LOL. And it also had these little sprinkles scattered throughout the whole slime, and that was so adorable. And talk about a spreadable slime. Like, this was all the way amazing. She's literally so underrated, and she was so nice. This final slime, yeah, I think the final, is from Glitter Slimes. It's called Rainbow Rice Crispy Tree, and she is such a good slime shop. She's a very famous one, and I see why. Her slimes are amazing, and is so crunchy and satisfying. And, oh, I can't even get here, guys. The scent. Can we just talk about the scent for a minute? Oh, yeah, sorry, I'm sick. I sound, like, horrible, but the scent was... I can't even. It smelled better than actual real desserts. And throughout the thing, there are scattered rainbow sprinkles, and it's just so amazing. I can't even put it into words. And back to the scent. I literally sat and smelled the slime for 10 minutes straight the other day because it smells so good. Okay, now let's listen to the crunches of this wonderful slime. Also, I can't stop looking at this slime. I don't know why. It's so beautiful. Not to mention, it looks like an actual Rice Krispie treat. Sorry I keep talking. There's just so much more adjectives to add to these slimes. I can't even. Yeah, I'll just let you look and listen. Oh wait, this is the outro. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching. I really hope you liked all of these slimes. Yeah, reality of being a YouTuber. Yeah, forgetting to do things. Well, anyways, I really hope you liked it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. And this is going into the end screen, but that's reality. Bye guys.